Hey friends, if you encounter this error, PPP link protocol was terminated, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, obviously, if you're using any third-party VPN software product, then please disable it immediately. That can be the root cause of the problem. And the next solution is to disable proxy. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the connections window, select LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and manual proxy server is unchecked. The next solution will be to restart the computer. Right click on the start button and select shutdown and sign out, and then select restart. The last and main solution will be a network reset. And why am I sticking to three solutions only? Because network reset entails all other solutions. For example, it will flush the DNS, it will reset TCP/IP, it will also reset the WinSock. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the network and internet tab, click on advanced network settings, select network reset, click on reset now, and then you can click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.